Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can kick or ban someone in Among Us. Now to kick or ban someone in Among Us, you need to hold the meeting first. Once you hold the meeting, you can click on this little icon at the top right corner, which is going to open your chat. Once you open the chat, you need to click on this red button. Now once you click on this red button, you need to click on the person's name. Once you click on the person's name, click on kick. Once you click on kick, it's going to show you this bar. Now this game has 15 people, which means more than 7 people or 8 people needs to vote to kick this person out. So let's say 9 people vote, which means more than 50% of the people on this game thinks this person needs to be kicked. Then Among Us is going to kick this person out. But if less than 50% vote for this person to be kicked out, he's not going to be kicked. So to kick someone out, you need to make sure more than half the server votes for it. And if you want to ban someone from the game, you just need to click on their name, click on report, and choose a reason on why you want to report. Now remember, the person has to have done something wrong in order for them to be banned. Otherwise, Among Us is not going to ban them for no reason. Choose an option from over here why you want to ban them. Click and confirm. And after some time, Among Us staff will view it, and if they think the person should be banned, they will be banned, alright? So that is basically how you guys can kick or ban someone in Among Us. And as I said before, you need to hold a meeting in order to choose for the person to be banned, alright? Now there's two ways to choose a meeting. The first way is to come in from this emergency button, click on it and hold a meeting. And the other is to report a dead body, alright? So these are the two methods. I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.